Alright, video blog check everybody. Azrael here, and we are back again for another tech vlog. And you are watching my YouTube channel, Features Lifestyle, Travel, Food, and Tech. And also, we are going to unbox a brand new smartphone. This is the Honor X8C from Honor Philippines. May bago tayong phone na i-unbox at itong phone na ito is will launch on March 11. So we're going to unbox it. At nakita ko sa inyo kung gano'ng kaganda itong phone na to. But this is just a first impression ko, no? Ngayon ko pa lang siya makikita at ngayon ko pa lang siya masisilip, no? Kung para maganda yung back niya, oh, yung likod niya. So anyway, March 11 pa naman to lalabas. So abangan ninyo. We're going to do some tests and also unboxing, and naka-review na rin din natin. At also magkakaroon ng event si Honor Philippines. So abangan ninyo yung mga content na pinapost ko in my social media platform and also here in my YouTube channel. Alright, so unbox na natin to, Honor X8C. Alright, from Honor Philippines. Alright, let's do this. Alright, here's the Honor X8C from Honor Philippines. So this is my first time to unbox at tinanggal ko na yung plastic nito, no. Hindi naman tayo makakapag-reveal ng mga tech specs, but abangan niyo yung mga announcement ni Honor Philippines. Siyempre, so official announcement tayo makikisabay, no. So let's do the unboxing right now. Ano ba laman nito? Ayan, ito na yung unit. This is the unit, the Honor X8C from Honor Philippines. Para siyang kulay green na bluish yung kanyang tawag dito, yung body. Lagay natin muna ito para hindi nakadistract. Let's check out there's a dual camera. It's a dual camera. May flash. Ito para display lang, para maging balance yung itsura ng camera niya. Hindi ko muna papakita yung harapan niya, but sa likod muna tayo. There's an Honor. Ang ganda ng ang nila, oh. Yung kanilang logo here, Honor, hindi na siya nakasulat. Parang prismatic. Tawag ko niyan, prismatic logo. At yung kanyang body, it's parang rubber. Parang rubber or parang vegan leather. Ayan. Square. Pero sabi ni Honor is targeted for, kumbaga, fashionistas, mga estudyante. Kasi I think yung pricing point yata ito baka mas mababa, no? Honor X8C. So, ito siya, ang tsura niya. So, what is inside the box? Check natin. Ito, mga serial code lang naman yan. And we have here, syempre, some manuals. Mga manuals, yung kanyang jelly case. Kunyari, lagay niya itong jelly case niya, no? Tsura niya, no? Nice. Ganda. Nakita niyo na yung harapan, pero hindi tayo mag-focus do. Ayan. At yan, kasama siyang yung pin ejectors, SIM tray pin ejector, and also the brick charger, tsaka yung USB Type-C cable. So, I can see here, wala siyang 3.5mm jack. And ito yung makikita nyo if you buy the Honor X8C pag lumabas na yung announcement on March 11, no. So ayan, ito yung tsura niya. At abangan nyo yung sa ating social media content postings, no, all about this. Mag-teaser tayo sa aking Facebook page and also here in my YouTube channel, TikTok, and Instagram. So ano sa tingin nyo? Maganda ba yung phone? Honor X8C. From last year, we have the Honor X7C. And now, nasa Honor X8B ba? Tama ba? O Honor X... Maalala ko yung mga last Honor phones kasi sobrang dami. Anyway, hindi ako nakapag-research masyado at nalimutan ko na yung pinagmulan na model nito. I guess it's the Honor X7C, no? Di ba? Ayan. So, yun. At, alright. Let's gumawa tayo ng outro na for this video. Wait lang. Alright, that's it, no, for our video for today. So, abangan ninyo sa March 11. So, teaser muna tayo. So, ito itsura niyan. Ayan. Ito siya. Honor X8C from Honor Philippines. Ayan. So, yun. Thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Yan, teaser muna tayo. Kita-kits after March 11, makakapag-post na tayong announcement. Alright.